ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 86, శ్లోక 9. యుద్ధాదౌ తీర్థగామి సఖలు హలధరో నైమిష క్షేత్రమృచ్చన్ అప్రత్యుత్థాయ సూత క్షయకృదథ సుతం తత్పదే కల్పయిత్వా యజ్ఞం వల్కలం పర్వణి పరిదలయన్ స్నాతతీర్థోరణాంతే సంప్రాప్తో భీమదుర్యోధన రణమశమం వీక్ష్య యాతః పూరీం తే. Word by word meaning. Yuddhadau, at the commencement of the war. Tirthagami, going on a pilgrimage. Saha haladharaha khalu, that Balarama indeed. Naimisha kshetram, Ruchan, going to Naimisharanya. Apratyuttayi Suta Kshayakrit. Apratyuttayi, who did not stand up and show respect. Suta Kshayakrit, killing the Suta. Atha, then. Sutam, his, the Suta's son. Tatpade, in his place. Kalpayitva, installing. Parvani, on every full moon and new moon day. Yagyagnam, Valkalam. Valkala, an Asura, who was disturbing sacrifices. Paridalayan, killing. Snata Tirthaha, completing his pilgrimage. Ranante Sampraptaha, returning towards the end of the war. Bhima Duryodhana Ranam, the fight between Bhima and Duryodhana. Ashamam Vikshya, finding to be unending. Te Purim Yataha, went to thy city. Full meaning. Going away on a pilgrimage at the commencement of the war, Balarama went to Naimisaranya, and after killing a Suta who did not get up from his seat and show him respect, installed the Suta's son in his place. Then he killed Valkala, an Asura, who was disturbing sacrifices on every full moon and new moon day. After completing his pilgrimage, he returned towards the end of the war. But finding that the fight between Bhima and Duryodhana was unending, he went away to thy city, Dwaraka. Om Tat Sat.